Welcome to the Quiz Hub. Test your brain with this ultimate general knowledge quiz. From geography and space to history and science to sports. If you can score 20 out of 40 so your brain is so impressive, let's start the quiz right now. Which country is known for chocolate and watches? Switzerland. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Africa. Which country is home to the world's largest volcano, Mauna Loa? United States. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years? Snail. Which country is famous for sushi and ramen? Japan. How many astronauts are in the Artemis II mission? Four. Which sport features the term slam dunk? Basketball. Which country is known as the land of white elephants? Thailand. What is the main goal of NASA Artemis program? Return humans to moon. Which country is famous for maple syrup? Canada. Which famous inventor created the first practical airplane? Wright brothers. Which of the following layer of Earth is the hottest? Inner core. Which gas protects Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation? Ozone. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. Which ocean current keeps Western Europe warmer? Gulf Stream. Which device is used to store electrical energy? Capacitor. Which country is the largest exporter of oil globally? Saudi Arabia. Which vitamin is important for good vision? Vitamin I. What is the hardest part of the human body? Tooth enamel. How many oil passes through Strait of Hormuz? %20. Which planet has the most moons in the solar system? Saturn? What is the main function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen. Which bird is the largest in the world? Ostrich. Which invention is James Watt famous for improving? Steam engine. Which sport played at Wimbledon? Tennis. What is the capital of Norway? Oslo. Which gas is used in balloons to make them float safely? Helium. Which war was fought between the North and South regions of United States? Civil War. Which of the following planet rotates on its side? Uranus. Which is the largest organ of the human body? Skin. What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. Which space telescope launched in 2021 studies deep space? James Webb. The smallest unit of life is cell. Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum. Which scientist discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Which of the following animal is known to regenerate its limbs? Starfish. What is the traditional Italian dish made with layers of pasta, cheese, and sauce? Lasagna. Which country hosted the FIFA World Cup in 2014? Brazil. Which famous personality led the civil rights movement in the United States? Martin Luther King Jr. Which continent is the driest inhabited one? Australia.